The DesView is an entry-level teleprompter that is great for YouTube videos. The price point is one of the most friendly in the market, and about 2 months ago I got a DesView T2 and recently I upgraded to the T3. So I'll be showing you the differences between the T2 and the T3 and the pros and the cons of each, and which one should you get depending on your needs. So let's start with the T3 unboxing. The T3 comes with a nice box and is advertised as a teleprompter for both DSLRs and smartphones. So more about this as we proceed. Inside the box, there are all sorts of metals and manuals and screws and remote, and of course the main teleprompter glass with a shading fabric. So you need to pull the cover up and reveal the glass. So added are also some foam cuts and useful for usage with mobile phones. Here's the remote for the DesView app, the DSLR cover clothes and other accessories. And here is everything in the box. Now let's assemble. Let's start with this base holder where everything will be mounted on, and we attach it on your tripod. Next, you balance and screw the teleprompter at the appropriate side as shown in here. Note that you should use a very strong tripod and not the type used in this video because it may fall. So there are two L-shaped brackets. Take the other one without those holes and attach it to the other end of the base holder. And it's a bit tricky to screw this because the port is just at the end of this line, so check for that curved end. Also use the shorter end of the L shape. Next, you want to take the teleprompter bracket and unscrew it. Raise the teleprompter up and you'll see the ports to attach the bracket. This is where the phone or iPad goes. Next, you take the L-shaped bracket and attach to the other L-shaped metal, and after that you want to take the shading fabric and slide into the teleprompter. What is left is to attach the DSLR on the L-shaped bracket, and you also attach your smartphone to the teleprompter bracket. So you can adjust the L-shaped bracket until everything fits. So here goes the teleprompter ready to use. Next is using the T3 with mobile device. The T3 can also be used with a mobile device instead of a DSLR, and that means we need to adjust it a little bit. So instead of this fabric, the other adapter is needed. So we also need the cell phone holder, which needs to be attached to the back of the teleprompter. Use any of the styrofoam that fits your smartphone camera size. So afterwards, you want to attach your mobile phone and put on your camera. The other side is where you put another smartphone for the teleprompter, using the remote with the DesView app. The remote is very handy and it uses 2 AAA batteries. So for the next step, put your batteries in and download the DesView app on the App Store. First, you need to put on your smartphone Bluetooth and switch on the remote by long pressing the switch on the button. Then you can now connect successfully. Next, go to the DesView app and type in or copy paste any article you want to read from the teleprompter. One thing to note is that the text appears inverted on the phone, and that's because it becomes re-inverted in the teleprompter. So this is a normal mirror principle. So to start the script, you can press the play button on the app or the play button on the remote. You can also pause, resume. You can press the Y to increase the speed, A to decrease the speed, X and B to go one page up or down. And that's all about the T3. Now let's review the T2. The T2 is a very compact and simple model. It's built specifically for mobile use. So this means you cannot use a DSLR with it. There are no L brackets and all sorts. Just the teleprompter glass and the adapter or holder, and that is all. Now you may be wondering why anyone would bother getting T2 since the T3 can be used for both DSLR and mobile. Well, there's a little flaw with the T3, and the flaw is that you can't shoot the mobile in landscape. So far as I've tested, you can only shoot vertically. You can only hold your phone vertically. You cannot hold it horizontally, which is necessary if you want to shoot in landscape mode. On T2, however, you can shoot both vertically and horizontally using your mobile phone. All you need is to remove and turn the adapter horizontally and you're good to go. So which one to buy? Well, if you have and you use a DSLR camera for video creation, then the T3 is the obvious answer. However, if you only use smartphone and you have no intention of moving to a DSLR camera at all, then the T2 is the better option for you since you'll be able to shoot both in vertical and in horizontal with your smartphone. Final views on the DesView. These are great entry-level teleprompters and they do exactly what's promised. The app works well, the remote works well, and it looks all great. However, they feel very fragile and the holders look like they will break anytime soon. Inserting my phones in the holders is a tug of war, especially in the T2, and I'm always worried it will snap and break. There's an improvement in the T3 and the holder has a different, easier and better mechanism. I am currently doing a review of this teleprompter using this teleprompter, and I know how easy it has made my recording process. I'll recommend getting one for yourself too if you struggle with being fluent when you record yourself. If you've enjoyed this review so far, kindly give me a like and comment and tell me what you want me to review next, and subscribe and share the video. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Cheers.